Yo, what it is? Welcome back to the vlog. So today we are going to paint the cab and firewall. We're also going to seal up the bottom of the cab where we did all our patchwork. So yeah, let's get into it. So right here, I will go ahead and pop up what I use to undercoat the bottom of the cab, as well as all the stuff I use to paint the firewall. So first and foremost, I used a undercoating from Duplicolor. It gotten a lot of good reviews. I thought I'd go ahead and try it out. It comes in an aerosol can. And for the floorboards on the outside of the cab, since they were so prone to rust and they were where our major headaches were to begin with, I went ahead and used a self-etching primer on the bottom of the floorboards outside the cab and then sprayed the Duplicolor coating over the primer. So that way, if water ever ends up getting back in behind the undercoating, it'll have another layer of protection on that metal. So for what I used for the firewall and the tunnel, I used just a regular automotive primer, and then what I did is I came back over with the base color that's supposed to match the 64 C10's original light green that I got from Automotive Touch-Up. Yeah! Once everything was dry on the base color, I came back with a high heat clear coat to finish it off. So let's go ahead and jump in. I really like how the green turned out on the door last time, and I'm really impressed with how it turned out on the firewall. I think it's going to give it just a little bit more of an edge or unique look when somebody's looking at the truck to really offset the patina in terms of just showing someone, hey, there's something a little bit different about this truck. Someone put a little bit more effort into it. I think it turned out great, and what we're going to do for the inside of the engine bay, we'll just clean up everything, make it a gloss black, and I think it'll really pop off that green. And everything should look good. As far as the undercoating goes, I'm really happy with it so far. You know, again, time will tell how it's going to hold up, but I think that it turned out really good. It's more of a rubberized texture. It's got, you know, some texture in it, so that way if you've got, you know, some pitting, it'll clean that up a little bit. I think overall the bottom of the cab looks awesome. It looks really clean, and those lines look really great from the green. The green and the black contrast really well. So overall, I'm really happy with our product, and I hope everything ends up looking good. So now that we got everything finished up, I hope to get the cab back on the frame next week. So I hope to have a video up for you guys showing how we're going to do that. If you guys have any questions in regards to how we painted everything, or would like to know more about how you can find a paint to match your vehicle, feel free to leave a comment below. But like I said, the Automotive Touch-Up site, it's pretty intuitive. You should be able just to type your year, make, and model into the site, and it will come up with a list of paint codes that cars originally used, and you should be able to order it in an aerosol can or in a gallon bucket, I think. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoy what you're seeing so far, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. We'll see you guys next week.